Hello, Marshall Public Schools families. We are super excited to welcome you back to the 21-22 school year. We are looking forward to bringing all of our students back to face-to-face instruction and welcoming you on your first day of school. Let's get ready for a great school year.
Hello, Marshall families. One of the questions we're getting right now is it even safe to come back to school? And the answer is yes. Thinking about COVID, last year we thought COVID was over and it'd be gone, we wouldn't have to think about it anymore. Unfortunately, that's just not the truth. COVID is still here and it's still very real. So we still have protocols in place and safety measures in place. Knowing that we have all these different things in place, we also know that there is no one mitigation strategy or no set of mitigation strategies that can completely eliminate the spread of COVID-19. So we're going to prepare to have a school year that's as normal as possible for our kids and have as many safety measures in place as we can have. We also know that this pandemic is ever changing and that the strategies we have in place this fall could change as the year goes on.
As we start the year, we're going to be cleaning and disinfecting daily. We're asking students to wash their hands, and we have hand sanitizer stations throughout the building. We've also installed air ionization units to help filter and clean any of the particulates out of the air. Most importantly, we're asking people to self-screen and stay home if you're sick or you don't feel well. That will help keep all of our students safe.
We know last year was a difficult year for everyone, and we're hoping for a better year this year. With that said, we are so grateful and thankful for all of you and our partnership. We know that it takes a village. With that said, I know many of you want to know what you could do as a parent. One of the best things you can do is to take some time and visit with your child about how we can stay healthy. Two of the most easy things are to practice good hygiene and social distancing. We're also recommending and encouraging that everyone wear a mask. This would include and emphasize for those who have not been vaccinated and our children who are 12 years of age or younger. Finally, please be kind and be gracious to each other. This has been a difficult time for everyone, and we know you are all doing everything you can to keep ourselves and our loved ones healthy and safe. A little bit of extra kindness goes a long ways. Take care. Thank you.
The Marshall Public School health offices will be following the Minnesota Department of Health decision tree in contacting and following up with positive COVID cases and close contacts. Vaccinations are currently approved for ages 12 and over. A quarantine situation will look different for people vaccinated versus non-vaccinated. We will have shortened quarantine options for those vaccinated or willing to COVID test when appropriate. Be sure to communicate with your building nurse regarding COVID exposures, immunization, and quarantine options available to you and your family. We appreciate your help and consideration in keeping everyone safe, healthy, and in school.
Despite all precautionary measures, there is always a risk of exposure to communicable diseases. Quarantines would be required if not vaccinated or for anyone with symptoms. Due to the uniqueness of each situation, our COVID response team will work through situations as they arise to make sure we are following the most current guidelines.